Proline Film Academy is East Africa's leading centre for creative excellence. Specialising in transformative filmmaking and photography. Based in Kampala, Uganda, we are dedicated to cultivating a new generation of visionary storytellers who possess not only technical mastery, but also the confidence and entrepreneurial mindset required to thrive in today's fast-evolving creative industries. Our recently concluded Lighting for Film workshop is a strong reflection of this commitment. The session provided students with a unique opportunity to translate theoretical knowledge into practical experience assembling, setting up, and creatively using professional lighting equipment under the guidance of industry experts. By immersing learners in real-world conditions, the workshop underscored our philosophy of learn something and do something, ensuring that every lesson is rooted in hands-on application. Through a dynamic, practice-driven curriculum and mentorship from seasoned professionals, we empower youth to not only master creative tools, but also become change makers, using visual storytelling to address societal challenges and foster economic growth. Our programs are designed to go beyond technical training, inspiring purpose-driven narratives that carry impact both locally and globally. At the heart of Proline Film Academy's mission is the advancement of lives and the unearthing of purpose. By tackling youth unemployment through creative skills development, we provide opportunities for students to transform passion into sustainable professions. Whether through film, photography, animation, or digital media, our graduates emerge as storytellers equipped to shape the future. The Lighting for Film workshop served as a vivid example of how Proline Film Academy stands as a transformative space where talent is discovered, stories are illuminated, and futures are reimagined.